I'm Virginia Batt. I'm a member of this church for many years, and for about 17 of those years I worked on the support staff. I worked in the front office for about 8 years, and one of my jobs was to answer the telephone. Now, this was at a time when the church had one telephone number, and all the calls came into the front office to that central switchboard. So everything had to be transferred to the different offices where they needed to be. Well, as you can imagine, the phone rang all day long, every day. One day I came in, and it was early morning, 8 o'clock, and the phone was already ringing. So I just barely had time to put my purse down and answer the first call. It was a lady from Spring Branch who belonged to a smaller congregation over there, and the church was trying to find a hospital bed to help out a woman who badly needed it. This woman had been a patient for a long time in the hospital and exhausted her medical coverage, and so she was now discharged and at home. But she had a surgical abdominal wound that wouldn't heal, and she needed the hospital bed to elevate her knees to protect her body. So I talked to the lady at length, and I had to tell her that I'd been answering the telephone for 5 days a week for nearly 7 years, and to my knowledge, we had never had a hospital bed donated. The day went on, and I went to lunch, and it came back, and Gabe Van Osdale, who was our volunteer helping with phone calls that day, turned to me and said, "We just had a woman call who wants to donate 2 hospital beds." I was stunned. I stopped in my tracks and said, "You are kidding me." And she just smiled. Well, Jimmy Braggs, our van driver, went and picked up those hospital beds that day and delivered one of them to the lady in Spring Branch who needed it. Why should we be so surprised, huh?